Belize depends greatly on agriculture. It contributes to the overall economic and social welfare of our nation. However, it is highly dependent on the natural environment for land, nutrients, irrigation. If not done sustainably, it can result in serious environmental risks and problems. The Department of the Environment is here to guide you in making your agricultural project sustainable by using best practices such as preventing waste runoff, ensuring consistent soil organic content by manure application, and maintaining a vegetated buffer along rivers, among other methods. But you have to contact us and let us work together to build a stronger industry, promoting sustainable agriculture.